Yeah. Yeah, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So yeah, Papa, this is the backyard. It's almost about 8 a.m. That is the office where I'm at. That's the cafe here. The dorms are back here. And more back here. And ski lifts right here. Yeah, that's it. Nothing much. Nothing much. Just at the tip of the mountains. And then when it's sunny, you can see mountains that pierce the Alps with snow. And you can hear the river, the birds chirping. Yeah, I gotta go to work in 10 minutes. It's raining a little. Okay, bye.